Since I'm not able to make it to today's meeting in person, I decided to virtually be present by creating a short screencast reviewing my work. The first Web 2.0 tool I used in my class was VoiceThread. I created an assignment, and this is what it entails.
Since this is a hybrid class, we will be spending at least half of our time online, which means that you may not have a chance to meet your fellow classmates. However, you will be interacting with them just as much, if not more, than in a typical class that meets face-to-face. So, in an effort to get to know each other a little better, your assignment is to give us a bit of information about yourself, your name, your reasons for taking this course, and what you hope to get out of this class. You must also post a picture or image of someone or something famous that people say you look like, and you must respond to at least 3 of your fellow classmates. This is the first of many assignments for this course. It is meant to be fun and creative, as well as a learning experience.
As you can see, some students did respond to the assignment. However, many did not. So I decided to just use this as extra credit and move on to the next. I also created some quizzes here using Quizlet, well, some flashcards. I don't think it was used as much as I would have liked, and I think I am going to create an extra credit assignment using Quizlet. Some students have been asking me for some extra credit, so I think this is a great way to have them learn the information by creating flashcards on their own and also give them a little boost in the class. And then finally, I also am using PBWorks, and in one of my classes, Psych 41, which is Child Psych, it's my hybrid class, I am actually using this site for a term project. So instead of having my students write a term paper, they're going to develop a wiki page. And I have here the criteria for their page. They're going to be working in groups and they're going to choose a topic. Actually, they've already chosen topics. And we met in a computer lab the other day and reviewed this site. So I had them all log in and I gave them a little tutorial how to use PBWorks. And as you can see from this site, some of the students really took to it, and I had them upload images to the site, some text, and even videos from YouTube. So that's only part of the requirement for this project. They also have to do some research and create a wiki page. Definitely planning on scaffolding them throughout this project. They have already turned in an outline, and I'll be reviewing the outlines to make sure that they have the right content for the page and just helping them navigate through this site along the way. So that pretty much sums up my use of Web 2.0 in the classroom. Next semester, I am going to start with especially my online and hybrid classes in a computer lab and have them sign up for VoiceThread, Quizlet, PBWorks right at the beginning of the semester. This way I don't run into some of the problems that I've been having this semester with some of these sites. Thank you, and again, I'm sorry I couldn't be there in person.